Hey, what's up, Test Demi family? This is Tim, ABA, checking in live and direct from Houston. How's everybody doing? It's been a while. I see a lot of people have been enjoying the Selenium Python automation videos we put out there. Well, we have a lot more things to come up here in the future. So just wanted to drop a quick video, making sure everybody is good, wishing everybody a good time out there. So what's gonna happen is I have a course that I recently just dropped. It's how to get your first software QA job as fast as possible. So what I want you guys to do here is go to the link I'm gonna put in there, and for the first 100 students that signs up, I guarantee you're gonna get a job. If you're looking for a job out there in quality assurance, sign up for the course, and the first 100 people that sign up, I'm gonna give you a discounted rate. Once I get the first 100, the price is going up. It's an exclusive training. I've had it free for a while, you know, right now because I'm getting a lot of feedback. We want to go ahead and put a monetary value on it to kind of make sure that we're able to get it out to more students out there, because a lot of people have been asking me, you know, how can we help as far as our interviewing process, right? When they go through the Selenium course, they want to learn how to interview better. So I put out a course talking about how to interview, what sites to go to if you don't have experience, how to put that on your resume, the best strategies to apply when you're going through your QA interviews. I have something called my Checkmate Interview. It'll help me land several jobs, the top Fortune 500 companies, Oracle, Siemens, banks, you name it, Direct Energy, top companies. When you use this Checkmate technique, I'm gonna give you the script and everything you need to kind of help you land that great QA job. I'm gonna teach you how to negotiate, discuss rates, QA forums, and communities to be a part of so you continue to grow, right? I'm gonna give you websites where you can practice the automation and testing you've been learning, right? To be one of the top in the game. So you know we got you at Test Demi. So go to the link, sign up, first 100 students. After that, the price is gonna, you know, hike back up. So if you have any questions, hit me up at tim@testdemi.com. But to them, I'll holler at you guys later. All right, peace, much love. You know how we do it.